there, welcome today to a hot tool styling session. Today we're going to be creating symmetrical waves using hot tools. First of all, what we've done here is we've prepped the hair. What does that mean? It means that we've shampooed and cleansed, obviously, and then we've used thermal protection spray, and then importantly a thermally activated setting product, and then blow dried the hair using this volumizing blow dry product. This is an amazing product. The shape of it's obviously oval. That enables us to get right into the root of the hair. There we go. The bristles allow us to create tension and control. Now you can see there it's creating tension, which gives us shine. So we've got charcoal activated bristles and nylon bristles blow drying the hair from inside out, creating volume. A salon blow dry in half the time. So I've done that throughout the full head of hair. I'm going to use the 19mm curl bar from the curl bar set. The first thing we do is turn it on, and then we set the temperature. The temperature ranges from 160 all the way up to 230. I'm going to set it at 190 degrees. Then we set the timer. So we hold this button in here and it changes into a timer. Now this timer goes from 1 to 10 seconds and is adjusted with this same wheel. There we go, ready to go. So this particular style normally would start in the nape of the neck, taking a horizontal section around about 2.5 centimeters deep, and then doing subsections and winding in until the whole back of the head is in place. We then switch and we come to the outsides of the hair and we do the front, the sides until we're finished. Normally I would stand right in front of this section, but so that you can see what I'm doing, I'm going to stand to this side. I'm now taking a subsection. Now the first wave here is parallel with the cheekbone, so that's where I'm going to start to wind the hair. So just wipe the hair, and I'm going to angle this away from the head, and we're going to twist wrap. So twist, make sure you've got enough tension around the bar. There we go, now we click the timer. Now I don't need to hear the timer go off because it will actually vibrate, but let's listen. There, you can hear it, but actually the vibration is enough to tell me to release that curl and just leave it there to cool down. I'm going to do 3 subsections here. Wipe the cuticle until we meet up with the wave next to it. Very important to keep these all travelling in the same direction away from the head. Click the timer, and my finger here is just resting on this cool tip. Very cool tip, I can assure you. There we go. And as we can see, my first set of waves are parallel to that cheekbone. So now take my next section, and I have 2.5 centimeters in depth. Down we come, and now we're going to do our subsection. Now what we've done is, we set it at 190 degrees for 10 seconds. What does that actually mean? Well, now make sure this meets up with the curl underneath. When I wrap the hair around the blade, the hair absorbs some of the heat. The innovation recognises that the blade has actually reduced in temperature slightly and pulses energy into the blade. The 24 karat gold takes that energy quickly and evenly across the blade so that all the hair gets the same amount of temperature. And then because we've set the timer for 10 seconds, each section gets 10 seconds in the same direction with the twist wind. So that means that we're actually creating constant heat and time to the hair. Quick, easy, consistent, effortless styling. Now I also said a new angle for curl. Why? Because this innovation gives us less strain. I'm not having to hold my hands high, my arms up at different angles. I can hold myself down and relax. My back doesn't hurt, and on all those Saturdays when you're doing wedding parties, 2 or 3 bridesmaids, long hair curls, no strain to the neck, no strain on the shoulders or in the back. Effortless styling. This is an amazing tool and I absolutely love it. I've been using it now for some considerable time. Just remember, use the timer. It takes 21 days to form a habit, guys. So let's form some good habits when using the curl bar. As I said, this is the 19mm curl bar from the curl bar set. It does come in individual curl bars as well. You can buy the individual 25mm, you can buy the 32mm. I love the professional curl bar set because it gives me lots of flexibility when styling and allows me to create. Now you don't have to do it this way. The foundations have to be the same, but you could start in the middle of the hair, you could start at the ends of the hair, you could start and just do the middle of the hair. You don't have to start 3 inches from the root and go to the ends. You're the professional, you're the creative, so do it your way, experiment, play. So here we go with the last section here, and again, just onto that cheekbone, twist wrap, nice tension, getting down to that cool tip, click the timer, hold in place, wait. Now then, I've already prepared the rest of your hair, of the hair as you can see. Put it in the hairnet just to cool down. I would normally leave the hair around 10 minutes to make sure we've got maximum set by allowing that hair to cool down. I'm going to turn that off now. I'm now going to apply a small amount of serum to my hand. I'm going to make this go through all over, make sure it's between the fingers, it's all over, so that I'm not banging it in there, it's in one place. I'm just going to wipe this through the hair, just to release the hair a little bit before I come to put. So my first method is going to be a wide angle comb, and yes, I'm going to come right through from the outside first. So let's just go through from the outside first. All the way through. I've done this side even though I really haven't left that long enough to cool down. We don't have the luxury of time today because of the amount of video space I've got. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this up and just come in from underneath and just tease the hair a little bit. Just come underneath to make sure there's none of the underneath sections that we're missing at any point. Keep looking at it, seeing what you've got, seeing the result, making sure that it's what you want. Now then, I'm going to pick up now a dressing brush and just mix some of this in and I'll comb. Just to smooth the hair down. And now, because we've prepped it well, we can really comb this hair through. Look at this. Just look at that. Don't be scared. If you've prepped this hair properly, this tool will do the rest. Okay, now comes for the final touches. Symmetrical waves from Hot Tools, quick, easy, effortless, with a lot less strain. Thank you for watching, see you soon.